What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today I'm gonna give you guys an update on the Z and showing you guys how to prep a KBD body kit. So for those that are new to the channel, this is my drift car. It's a Nissan 350Z 2003. When I bought the car, it was a beater. Pretty much, I guess you could still say it's still a beater, but as you guys can see, right now we're prepping the car, we're sanding the car down, getting the car ready for paint, and doing some body work on it. Bumper, everything is going off the car. For those who have seen the car before, it's pretty much taken apart to a degree, I guess. But yeah, let me see. So that's the KBD body kit that we'll be prepping in a minute. I have the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the two side skirts. The over fenders that you see right here, those are fiberglass, so that'll just get prepped like the rest of the body. But without further ado, let's get into prepping the body kit. So pretty much everything you need is a Scotch Brite pad, acetone, and Comet or Ajax. They do the same thing. But I got all of this from the dollar store for like $5. So first, we're gonna take whatever type of rag you guys have and the acetone. I would wear gloves for this part, but just soak the rag in the acetone or pour it on there, however you want to apply it, and just thoroughly clean each piece of the body kit. Now, realistically, you probably don't need this much acetone. I'm probably doing overkill right now, but it's literally $3 for a bottle, so it's not that deep. So for the next part, we're gonna take Comet or Ajax and apply that directly to the Scotch pads. Make sure the Scotch pads are wet, and then just scrub the body kit thoroughly to scuff it up, so later on we apply the primer, it'll actually be able to stick. And when we get done doing this to the whole body kit, we're gonna test it by pouring water onto it. Now we're gonna test it to see if it's been scuffed enough. And that's a perfect example of what it's supposed to look like. If it was to bead up in any of these areas, just re-scuff it until it just lays on it like paint's supposed to. Now, obviously, I'm gonna wash the rest of this off with a water hose, but I would suggest pouring a bottle of water on it first, just to make sure that the pressure that you're spraying isn't making it look like it's clean. But I mean, regardless, if it doesn't have any beads on it and it looks like this, you're good to go. Now just repeat that process on the rest of your body kit and you'll be good to go. And this is the primer that you guys are gonna need. Put that right there. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know any more ideas you guys wanna see. Peace.